गोंयांत शिक्षणाची मुळावी बांदावळ घटमूट करपाक जाय, पर्येचे आमदार देविया राणेन सांगले। सरकारी शाळा नव्या तंत्रज्ञानाच्या आदारान एकठांय हाडपाची गरज उक्तायतना 70तल्या सरकारी शाळांनी शिक्षकांचो उणाव तिने सभाघराचे नदरेक हाडून दिलो। गोंयच्या शिक्षण वेवस्थेतल्या वेगवेगळ्या समस्यांचेर देविया राणेन सोमारा उलोवप केलें। अर्धवेळ शिक्षकांक बरे फायदे मेळचे अशी मागणी करतनाच शाळांक नव्या तंत्रज्ञाना कडेन जोडपाक जाय अशें तिणें मागलें। राज्यांत बेगीन IIT स्थापन करची अशें तिणी सरकारा कडेन मागलें। राज्यांतल्या कांय शाळांच्या मुळाव्या साधन सुविधांची अवतिकाय तिणें नदरेक हाडून दिली।
इट्स एसेंशियल की आमचे सगळीं जी स्कुलां आसा आतां आमची गव्हर्मेंट हाय स्कूल्स दे शूड बी ऑल इक्विप्ड विथ द लेटेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजिकल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, whether it is stable high speed infrastructure, internet, computers, color printers, photocopiers, because the computers used by the staff are like 10 years old and need software upgrade. The government school should also include social science labs, computer labs, reading rooms, which many of the schools are lacking, especially in our rural areas. It is of utmost importance that we have CCTV surveillance in all our schools, whether they are primary schools or government high schools, to know that everybody speaks about so many activities that happen around schools. So untoward incident shouldn't happen. Unnecessary incident shouldn't happen. So for the safety of our children, आमच्या भुरग्यांक कांय जावचें न्हय. So to tackle all these situations, I think it is utmost importance that all our government schools should have CCTV surveillance, and I think that is of utmost priority. In Sattari, we lack almost 41 teachers in the primary schools and 36 teachers as assistant teachers in our government high schools. It's high time we have to start IIT in Goa, because we have been waiting for a IIT to happen in Goa for many years, and it is high time. I think we have to all support and start IIT, irrespective of wherever all these issues that have been happening. We have been seeing issues everywhere. First it was in Sattari, now it is in Sangay, but I think we have to all come together and put a stop to this and see that once and for all IIT starts in the state of Goa. But these contract teachers who are called part-time instructors, they can avail only 8 casual leaves and 2 restricted holidays. So though they are called part-time instructors, but they work from morning 7:45 in the morning till afternoon 1:45. So it is almost full day. They are working full day like the other teachers, regular teachers. They are working as a regular teacher. But still there is a huge difference in the pay scale. ही जी स्कूलां आसा आमची GPS जावनी नाल्यार GHS जावनी ती सगळी they are in a very bad state. They need immediate repairs and renovation, because most of the schools are leaking and they need urgent repairs. So मागता की मुख्यमंत्र्यां कडेन की ते बेगीन मातशें तांणी लक्ष घालचें आमच्या ह्या स्कुलाच्या फायली ज्यो पेंडींग आसा. आतां 1 वर्स जालें आमच्या स्कुलाच्या फायली पेंडींग आसा.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोझारियो, विलियम रॉड्रिग्स, संदीप कामोलकार, मनीष परब आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.